Uni S by Wolf. You see, has the little window, as you can see there, has a little window, so kind of get an idea where you at. It fits bigger and smaller cartridges. I'm sorry for that. In there, there's your little coil pack. Oh, see that there? There's a little coil pack there. And when that does, I have a problem. So the Uni Wolf S, okay, has the magnet, right? This part will sometimes get like dirty or something. So the problem is that you gotta tighten this up here. The problem is that'll happen. See how it's flashing? Now, to turn it off is 5 clicks. Okay, see? No flash, right? Turn it back on. Okay, now it doesn't want to pull. When this happens, it flashes, it doesn't want to pull. What you need to do is pull this out. Okay, put this all the way down. So then you go squeeze it in there. Go move it up like that. And then it's going to flash once, and then when you hit it, it's holding. So twice changes your heat preference. That's 3 now, so it's as high as it goes. Now it's as low as it goes. If 3 clicks is the change of measure of temperature. There you go, medium. So now we're gonna hit it. Now it's pulling, now it's working. But whenever it's not, it'll do this mistake error here. If I can get it to duplicate here. There you go. See? It has I could breathe through it and everything, but it is not working. It is not turning on. It doesn't want to heat up. See? It doesn't allow me to heat it up. Or I'll turn it off, I guess. See? Right here letting me hit it. But whenever it does this thing where it's not connecting, it does that. And then I'm like hitting it, it's not pulling. So now you know, whenever it's that situation, you gotta like twist it, adjust it, clear like any little dab, and it should flash. Now it works. Now I can pull. Now it pulls just fine. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes when it does that flashing thing, it comes in the battery's dead. But if you charge it, see, it works just fine now. But other times when I try to do it or something like that, or let's say for example you have it at an angle, at a weird angle, and you try to hit it, see, there you go, it does it where it's like it doesn't read the sensor saying it's on there. See, now it reads it's on there though. See, it reads it's on there, but now for some reason or another it starts blinking on you. It could be that it's dead or it needs charge, but it's sometimes just this little simple twisty thing, just twisting it, clicking it on there, pressing it down, making a good connection, allows it to smoke and pull instead of other ones that just aren't cool like that. So this, I tighten this down, and then now it don't move back. But even then, sometimes it'll start flashing on you for some reason or another. Like I said, it's working now, but I had a problem. I had that big problem that I just did not understand or know what to do. I figured it out, did some research. Yeah, you need air, you need pull where you could breathe in and out. You need this charged, and if you need to just adjust it, move it around, going up and down a couple times, moving around, should click up right away. Should pull just fine again. Let it heat up a little bit. She heats up right away. So that is the review of Wolf. Hope you like it. Subscribe, comment, like, dislike. So far so good. I've had for some time. That was a problem I ran into, that I figured people would like to know what is a problem with the product and how to fix it, or how to resolve their situation with the problem if they have something similar. It's nice, you know. I've dropped it a couple times, you know, protects it. It's really cool, really good, honestly. I really enjoy it. And then this closes on it, so it don't even move anymore. Well, for what it is, it don't move too much compared to wide open like that, the way it is. I don't know if you could see that there, but it's closed on it. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that it's closed on it all the way, and it don't really move. So now I should have good connection.